Nung unang nagkita kami, actually, we are good friends talaga. So, yun talaga yung foundation namin at the start. So, kaya ngayon, yung pumasok kami sa relationship, talagang pinag-isip pa namin kasi nga, i-risk ba namin yung friendship namin? So, bago pumasok, we came up to the answer na, sige, let's try. So, and let's give it a shot kung pwede. So, yun nga, tinry namin and wala naman kami pinagsisihan. So, dito ako pwes na. Okay, dito. And my sweetheart, from the moment we met, you have always been there for me. You have become my best friend, and during the toughest time of my life, you were there. Like ko nga sinasabi sa'yo, di ba? Salamat sa buhay mo, and I am always grateful for your lifetime.
Don't worry, you will find me when you...
So with us together, life has been so much easier, happier, and lighter. Your love and your full support, unwavering belief in me makes me feel that I can conquer everything and anything, especially with God at the center of our relationship.
Ang dami na rin kasi talaga namin pinagdaanan and ayun, I'm so happy and hindi ko pinagsisisihan na siya yung makakasama ko for the rest of my life.
Nung kami, no, parang sobrang gaan lahat ng bagay kahit sobrang daming pinagdaanan, daming struggles, pero pag siya yung kasama ko, gumagaan lahat. No? So kaya sabi ko, ito na yung baing magkukumit ako for the rest of my life.